When it comes to modifying child support, there are many rules that must be considered in order to determine whether modification of child support is appropriate. In some situations, modification of child support might be warranted, but not rise to the level of being an emergency. In order to determine whether or not your particular situation will qualify as an emergency, you will need to discuss the facts of your case with an experienced family law attorney. This is more important than ever because the courts are only conducting emergency hearings. We have legal rules that guide lawyers and judges through the process of determining what qualifies as an emergency. At this time, there are an unprecedented number of people suddenly out of work. Further, there are very few jobs available for these unemployed workers because so many businesses are temporarily closed. While Indiana law limits how often a person can ask to modify child support, the law does recognize that modification of child support is often appropriate when one parent suddenly experiences a significant decrease in income through no fault of their own, or when the child care costs for the children significantly increase or significantly decrease. Our team of legal professionals at McCoy Law are here and ready to help you through this trying time by getting your child support modified as appropriate. The school closures alone may justify modification of child support either because daycare costs have increased to provide child care for school-aged children or because the daycare costs have decreased due to the daycare closing. As I indicated earlier, the recent changes in your daily life most likely justify the filing of a motion to modify child support. Your circumstance may even qualify as an emergency. In any event, there's a high likelihood that we will be able to get your child support modified quickly. Simply put, if your income has significantly decreased or there has been a significant change in the cost of daycare for your children, you should call McCoy Law as soon as possible to schedule your free consultation. Every Friday that goes by may be costing you money. Child support can be modified retroactively, but only back to the first Friday after you file your petition to modify child support. So it is important that you file as quickly as possible, and scheduling your free consultation is the first step. Remember, when you hire McCoy Law, you're not just hiring an attorney. You're hiring an entire team of legal professionals ready to fight to protect you in this time of uncertainty.